actually on our way to a wedding today. And it's a special one, not just for the bride and groom, but for us, it's our 16th wedding anniversary also.
Nice.
While I'm here sitting and reflecting, I realized something, that this day has everything to do with accountability. Not just in marriage, but in everything that God calls us to commit to. I feel like marriage is accountability in action. Staying married for 16 years, and for some of you more, is more than just love. It takes follow through, consistency, showing up even when it's hard. You don't succeed in a relationship by being perfect. You really succeed by being accountable to your commitments. And the same is true for business. You just can't launch and grow a business successfully without accountability. The truth is, most people, they don't fail because of lack of ideas. They fail because they have no one to walk alongside them, keep them accountable, keep them in motion. You see, accountability gives clarity. It's what keeps you moving when the motivation wears off and you're tired, but you are accountable to someone or a thing. It helps you grow faster when you have someone or other people witnessing your progress and your process. You know, we say we want freedom, but real freedom comes from structure and not isolation, doing things by ourselves. Accountability may feel like pressure, but in reality, it's protection. So whether it's in your marriage or your mission or your money, if you want to truly succeed, you need accountability. And that's why I started our mission accountability group for entrepreneurs like yourself who want to stop starting and start finishing the things that God has called you to do. Comment "I'm ready" below and I'll send you the details. Let's do this together. I've seen what accountability can build: a marriage, a mission, a business. And if you're tired of doing it alone, I got you. Thanks for watching.